would like to invite Professor Abhay Karandikar, Director IIT Kanpur, to share his valuable thoughts.
First of all, my warm welcome to all the IIT Kanpur alumni. Also, Mr. Anand Sinha, who also happens to be an IIT Kanpur alumnus. I'm indeed delighted to be a part of this Buddha Fellowship graduation ceremony. This is indeed a unique program which is being organized by our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Ved Arya, and his team at Srijan. In the last 2 decades or so, several technology disruptions have happened, particularly, the digital technology where I'm intimately connected with has affected the lives of all of us. And especially, during COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen the widespread disruptions which was caused in the way we live and work, how it was affected by the digital technology. Going forwards, we are increasingly seeing the way of gig economy and digital nomads. And in this scenario, the technology enabled social enterprises which can bring social transformations and contributes to the local economy and the local environment have a great role to play. We also see the increasingly technology interventions in bringing social transformations and also having an impactful role in an all-inclusive growth. At IIT Kanpur, we have a very strong innovation and incubation program. In the last 2 years, we have consolidated our innovation ecosystems in a very significant way. There are a large number of enterprises which are working it in the area of environment, health, agriculture, social sectors, and bringing very frugal and affordable innovations contributing to the local economy. Yet, these enterprises are rooted in very state-of-the-art technology. And that is where, going forward, we would like to do in our incubation programs. IIT Kanpur will be very happy to get associated with all our alumni who are not only contributing to this Buddha Fellowship program of Ved Arya, but also making meaningful efforts in bringing social transformations and in an inclusive growth. We believe that academic institutions, and I think it was just mentioned that academic institutions and particularly the IITs have a role not only in coming up with unicorn companies or also doing, blue sky research, but also contributing to the local economy and the local environment. As an institute and also as an individual, we will be happy to associate with any such activities being carried out in the country. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the graduates of the Buddha Fellowship program. I am really delighted by the great efforts which have been put in by Mr. Ved Arya. It is truly inspiring and it's indeed inspiring for the young generations. I am also grateful to all his friends and colleagues who have immensely contributed to this program in a very enthusiastic way. And I wish this program all success. Thank you very much.